Russian armed forces show Su-25 ground attack aircraft in combat action. Missiles were launched in pairs from low altitudes. After the use of aerial weapons, the pilots, releasing flare decoys, maneuvered and returned to the airfield. As a result of the combat sortie, camouflaged fortified positions and armored vehicles of the Ukrainian armed forces were obliterated. The Russian Air Force currently operates around 250 Su-25s of all variants. The type plays a major role in the rapid deployments groups that were formed in each of the Russian Federation's 6 military districts. The older Su-25 aircraft are used alongside with newly upgraded versions, such as the Su-25 SM-3 Grak, which entered service in 2013. The Su-25 was widely exported and was used in numerous military conflicts. Current value of the Su-25 in good condition is around $11 million.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!